welcome back to one of the normal streams. I'm just showing you guys what happened and what I've taken. So for Euro USD, I took this trade today. I got stopped out by this wick, and then I got stopped out before I ran. I should have kept that 4 pip stop loss, but I just wanted to cover this low here. This is the setup. This was a particular low. I didn't think it would get wicked, but it did. It got wicked there, and then price started flying afterwards. So I got stopped there for today, and then I also took this trade. The stop loss was larger because I wanted to cover the low here, and then it pretty much is respecting out. It's flying. I'm going to go break even from here, or I might full TP depending on how it closes. If it wicks and then rejects and then closes, then I'll exit. But if it closes above, then I'm just gonna hold it all the way to take profit around up here for 6.5 hour. So that's the Euro trade I'm in right now. I'm still up 1 hour. The trade I said in the Discord for Bitcoin, I'm not sure if I still have it, but yeah, here it is. Here it is. I showed you guys that I was going to take this trade. I said this in the community chat as well. I said it in the crypto chat. I showed you guys that this is the trade. Here, no, not that one. Here, I said there's no confirmations yet. I was still waiting for this to play out, and then after it did reject and gave us confirmation, it literally ran to take profit before reversing. So the reason for this take profit was because, was because this was the liquidity. So the take profit would be the low here, and that's exactly what it did. It wicked the take profit, and then it started doing its own thing. So that's what happened for Bitcoin. Also for Solana, same thing. Solana came into the zone here, rejected, would have hit take profit, right? And then the second zone came in, rejected as well. And then you would have caught, what, 1 to 9? That was 2 trades that were easily played, easily taken, but I avoided it because it was my birthday and I wasn't taking any trades. So I missed out on a lot of fucking money. And that's fine because I'm still looking for another setup. Right now, I had this double confirmation marked out. Price came into play right here. Sorry, it didn't. It came into the area, but it didn't come into play. So I'm still waiting for the liquidity sweep here, waiting for this alert to hit, and then I can take the trade and reject. So that's 2 winning trades, 3 winning trades that we missed, and then 1 winning trade that I'm in, which is right here. And EU is still going good. I think some people are in shorts, but I don't really care. Once we hit here, same plan, break even. And then, wait, let me see alerts there in case it hits during stream. I'm up nearly 2 hours now. Euro USD. I'm gonna keep this on the watch list because Euro USD has been clean move. I've been trading Euro USD all day. Took a loss here and a win here, and I marked the zone out on the high time frame. I was going to take the area up from there. Let me show you guys. But the reason was boss, NF boss. But I want to take the area here because it was IB, right? It ended up coming down to the area that I wanted. Oh, sorry, the area that I didn't want, and it rejected. So now I know that I just need to look for continuations to the upside, and that's exactly what I did. This trade literally would have played out, but it didn't. So the first continuation failed, even though it ran to TP, and the second continuation is now playing out. And I could be targeting these highs, since it's a boss F boss. I could be targeting all the way up here, but I want to close this trade before New York. Before New York closes, I'll see what happens. But I really do want to take this liquidity here. That's pretty much the goal, and that's what 6 hour, yeah. So we'll see how that plays out for the day. I'm gonna add this to the watch list, which I already have. I'll move it to the top. And then let's look at these other pairs, NZD CAD. So for crypto, we're done. Crypto, there's literally nothing to trade. NZD CAD, just waiting for liquidity sweep before I take a short. Euro CAD, same thing here. GBP CAD, same plan. So when these 3 alerts hit, I'm only going to choose one and seeing which has the highest risk to reward. I'm not going to take all 3 trades because that's 3 times my risk. No point. Euro GBP. So I did mark this out. Boss IB. However, the F boss was a bit iffy here. I marked the zone here. So let me mark what happened. So this was an internal. What I marked the IB. Okay, yeah, I had the zone from the IB here, but I also marked the zone out. I didn't take the trade because I was still iffy about it. Nothing was moving too clean. But now that we're reacting off here, I know that we can just look for Euro GBP continuations. So in the morning, my alert did go off. I'll show you guys the alert later. But wait, can I show you here? Alert. Logs. Wait. So I don't know how to operate this stuff. The Euro GBP alert went off here on my birthday. Here, it was here. Okay, so so it was today. Euro GBP went off. I was gonna show you guys my Gmail, but I had some stuff I can't show you guys. So Euro GBP went into the area here, and that was the liquidity sweep I was looking for. After it swept, it then rejected. I was going to take the trade, but we weren't in session for New York. Euro GBP moves during New York. I wasn't going to check this during London. Right now it's breaking out. I was going to look for a breakout to trade, like right around here. But I also want to see a pullback as well. So Euro is going up, which is good because I'm in this Euro long right now. Euro GBP. I'm going to keep looking for continuations for Euro GBP. Maybe down here. But I want some type of F plus to form first. Because right now it is breaking out. And I really do think that Euro is bullish. But I want a confirmation for Euro GBP. And I'm still in the Euro USD trade, so that's alright. Looking at USD JPY. Same plan here. I'm waiting for this liquidity sweep to happen. What was this on? The daily?
I just entered the EU.
Sorry?
I just shot EU in.
What do you mean?
A short.
Are you in Euro shorts?
EU shorts, yeah.
Where are you shorting from?
Literally just opened it.
Oh, you just opened it? Oh, okay.
Yeah, and I'm in from the top there.
You're in from here as well? So, did you scale in?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. We'll see how it plays out.
I just entered another one.
Another one? Okay.
In 1 minute.
Okay. I'm looking... Bro, I took these gold losses, bro. I took a trade here from gold. And then I took a loss. I was in profit 1 hour. I didn't move to break even because I wanted liquidity to get swept at least, like around here. And I can get break even. Got stopped out. So I was like, okay. If I get stopped out here, then clearly we shifted bearish. So I waited for this low to get swept. Because there was a breaker structure here, and I was like, okay, sweet. This breaker structure will be valid because it reacted to the supply zone here. And then I'll create a new supply zone, which I did. Came in, gave the nicest rejection. I was in profit for a bit as well, 1 hour. And then same plan, stopped out. So now I'm avoiding gold because clearly we're bullish now, but I want another confirmation. So we have that breaker structure here, but I also want some type of F plus to form here, and then maybe come back down to this demand zone here. So over here at alert, demand not active until demand not valid until lick forms. Oh. 1 second. Okay, we're chilling. There's gold. AUD JPY. Yeah, I marked the short out. I didn't take it because I already took like 3 losses for AU, so it didn't make sense for me to just take this one trade that fucking ran, but it's whatever. Came back in, swept the liquidity here, and then it's showing us as bearish. So AUD JPY is bearish. We could look for a short continuation. So let me zoom in. So one of the entries could have been this chalk here when we closed here. So this could have been the trade. And then now I'm looking for another entry. So maybe here, somewhere near the entry. Maybe this area here. I'll settle that there. And I'll look for a swing trade. So if we come back to this entry, I'm going to take the trade. Maybe target down here. So that's that. What's 1 to 5? Okay. I'm gonna move this up to the list because these are the 2 areas I want to trade.
All the way down?
Yeah. All the way down here. Because if I zoom out on the high time frame, what are we seeing? We're just seeing price making new lows.
Yeah, so everyone's getting trapped.
Yeah, pretty much. Well,
if you think about it, what would everyone do right now on that order block?
On that
supply zone?
This one?
Yeah.
Yeah, bro. Everyone's just gonna long here because I feel like retail traders are.
No. Everyone's gonna short.
Short? You think he's gonna switch longs?
Everyone's gonna short. Everyone's shorting. Literally everyone.
Everyone.
Why would they let you in?
Who's they? The market makers.
Yeah.
We'll see. We'll see. Wait, I went through this. Use these. I was gonna long this trade as well. I didn't take the long. I feel like this would have been break even as well. And then I have a bit of trauma from USD ZAR because I remember I entered a trade and then holding it overnight, I got slipped out. No, my stop loss was around I think $500 and I got slipped out 2K. So I lost an extra 1.5K just for holding overnight. So I tried trading this pair, but it's just not worth it. The spreads are so fucked. So lucky I didn't take this because I feel like this gap here, if you guys can see it, would have absolutely raped me on stop loss. Because I remember it was on Fusion as well. I got stopped out. I didn't get stopped out. The price was around here, and then it slipped me all the way down here. So I still want to keep an eye on it. Maybe use low lots and still try to trade it, but I can't use huge lots for it. It's just a bit too risky. So that's all sorted. GBP USD. This area marked out. What are we seeing? Wait, I'm gonna clear it real quick. Robin, how many trades are you in right now? You still here? Oh, he left. 4 hours GBP USD. Breaker structure to the downside. Okay, so we're clearly bearish for GU. React out of the supply zone. Rejecting. Hey, look for short continuations. Okay. So after that rejection, we had this chalk. Price came into this area, rejected, and then now we have this target and this might sweep. So no setup for GU. Maybe a 5. No. Okay. So that's all the pairs that I was eyeing for the weekend. And then crypto market cap, coin market cap. Sorry, I need to click on the volume. Volume. Okay. XRP. The thing with these altcoins, I realized that these externals really don't matter. I started looking to the internals, and for internal structure, altcoins have been working out better. Because most of these big moves happen from news, right? And from a big breaker structure, it wouldn't really matter. Within the structure, there's still liquidity within the system. So I actually don't know how to trade this because the stop loss, you have to use really high leverage. Oh, never mind. 3.7%. Target would be this here. Are we still bearish for this? 2.3R. Is that even a good trade? That's so risky. I'm just gonna forward test this, see how it plays out. Forward test. Go back here. Hold on. Tuesday. We have bank holiday for JPY, so we can't trade AUD JPY tomorrow. Wouldn't be good looking for shorts. And then, okay, so USD JPY clearly not available because USD. Wednesday we have CPI, core CPI. Fuck, this week is also a bad week to trade as well, huh? Thursday looks alright. Never mind. CPI for chef. PPI. What's all the news? Bro, the past 2 months, it's just news. Friday, USD. Okay. Just look for swing trades instead. LTC. I've been seeing news with LTC and Ondo. I saw Trump buy Ondo, so I'm looking at Ondo in a bit. But I saw Trump's wallet. He bought Ondo as an investment, and it put down a couple 100K. So I think, that's something to look into for investing. I'm gonna set alerts here. Litecoin possible short with 15x leverage. Target the first liquidity here. Okay, yeah, it looks like a nice trade. Are we consolidating? Price consolidating. Avoid. Okay, so avoid slash vortex. It's still good for data, if anything, because we're looking at the internals, and I want you guys to learn that this is literally just an internal structure. That's why when you zoom out, you realize that, oh, okay, it's just internal, it's not external. External would be this high or this low getting broken. And then we start looking for continuations. If it's not happening, then you don't want to force a trade. You want to mark it out, full test it, but you don't want to force the trade. Cryptocurrency, let's get back here. Oh yeah, Ondo USDT. Okay, so this is a coin Trump bought. I fucking marked this out, but price never came into the area. And then, how much did it fly by? Yeah, I missed it by literally up here, 3%. And motherfucker ran 120%. And I didn't get in. And I was looking at this in November. And November was my worst month as well. If you guys have seen my post, November was my worst fucking month as well. And I could have made a bag from it. But that's alright. So Ondo, clearly, I don't know why Trump bought in, but crash happened here. I'm not gonna force it. I'm just gonna, yeah, fuck that. With the meme coins, how's the meme coin top? It's top 16 for volume. That's top 18 for volume, and it's going nowhere but down. Okay, so we can just look for shorts continuously. Here, this was, yeah. Oh, okay. So I took a win here, and I did it live as well. And I had a mark as well. I said 0.25 risk. Look for continuation at boss, and I took the live 1 to 8 live, and that was all the way in November. And I still had a bad month. But now we know that we can just look for shorts for width. So high in volume, but clearly no one's longing it. No one's making money off it. No one's buying it. So look for continuation to the downside. Let's see here. So we have, beautiful. So this is what I mean. We have externals always going down. You see externals breaking down, externals just clearly, momentum just going down, price is going down, right? And then we zoom into the lower time frame, and then we look for continuations. So right now, this would make sense to look for shorts. So I'll mark this out. Select here. And I like this area as well. And the reason why I like this area is because this could be the boss, this could be the F boss. But this could also be a boss, I'm not sure. But it's still good to see the opportunities and to take it, since the risk to reward is pretty high. Everything aligns short. So one trade here and one trade here. So we're gonna plan out this trade right now. So with this, I'm gonna say half risk, and then this would be full risk, if anything, because this could be boss F boss, but this could also be a boss as well. So just go FB, and we're gonna half risk it. So I'm gonna set this there, leave it there, add that to watch list. Okay. You guys have any questions? What closing CPI? The US government. Mantra OM H bar, what the fuck? Dot? Nah, I'm pretty sure Dot's moving the same as all the other altcoins. Give me 1 second. Okay. Alright, Dot bullish. See downside, and then bullish move up. So when you see stuff like this, you literally just avoid. If the 4 hours looks like this, avoid. Move on to a different chart. Because with crypto, there's so many different charts. Crypto, Neo, WorldCoin, WLD. Okay, if this is the same as Dot, yeah, it's the same as Dot. You can't force these trades. It needs to be a whole different system. Like the charts need to be different. I mean, Arbitrum, Floki. Let me look at the meme coins. Is this also bearish? No. Okay, so Floki is moving the same as altcoins. And look at meme coins. Memes. Doge. Doge is now becoming like altcoins. It's stabilizing like altcoins. See, all the charts, they all look similar. I marked out a short here on the low time frame. We'll see what happens because this is internal. And if all the other charts are the same, I'll just take Doge, no point taking the other ones. Bonk, Floki. Let's look at Bonk. Is Bonk moving the same as well? Okay, this is what I mean. You guys are forcing these trades from here and here, right? I think this is already reacted. Internal here, internal here. Price came into this internal supply. Came in, rejected, would hit TP. That's an internal trade, but I want to focus on the externals for this. Especially for meme coins, I want to focus on the externals. This line needs to break in order to look shorts. Look for shorts. And then if this hype, yo, where's the text? Oh, there we go. If this hype breaks, look for longs. And then we should avoid it. US 30. I was looking at US 30 as well. US 30. I had this marked up. And I didn't take a trade. I'll tell you why I didn't take a trade. Look where it closed. It closed up here. Full liquidation of the entire zone. Didn't reject until here. When it did reject, it rejected all the way up here. So I didn't take a trade and it fucking hit TP. And this wasn't the only trade. I marked this one out as well. It was on the 4 hours. A boss, F boss, price did a liquidity sweep. Yeah. Full mitigation or near full mitigation. And then started rejecting. Full TP as well. And then another one happened here. I missed these 2 trades. ARR altogether. But I now know how the strategy is going to work for US 30. Just boss F boss to the upside. You know, just fucking, it's the easiest shit ever. Except the only problem is I need to work on the entries. I missed this trade and I missed this trade too. So now the next one just needs to be like M5 continuation. But I don't like the charts right now. A lot of people would be looking at M5, looking for shorts. But we know that externally, we should be looking for longs. Because if this high breaks again, we can then look for another continuation to the upside. That's US 30. I don't want to add it to watch list this week. I want to let it play out a bit and then I'll start looking for trades. Fuck coin. What the fuck is that? Fuck coin. Bearish. Okay, still looking for shorts. So that's there. And this looks like a piece of shit coin, so I'm just gonna fuck 9 pips stop loss, 9% stop loss, 10x leverage. Okay, and 50% gain if it drops. Okay, yeah, that's hectic. Did I say alert? Yeah, I did. Okay. Okay, just gonna check Euro. Euro, Robinson short, I'm in longs. I'm gonna see how this plays out for the rest of the night. But yeah, I'm just gonna end the stream here. Thank you guys for tuning in. Gonna end here. Oh, fucked up.